Do you want the slickest, fastest email experience on the planet? Superhuman promises an elite keyboard-driven workflow, but at $30 a month per person, is it worth it? So what is it? It's a premium email client founded in 2014, built for Gmail and now Outlook, designed for speed, productivity, and a near zero email experience using shortcuts, split inboxes, AI drafting, and read receipts. It's got lightning fast search and navigation. Everything moves in 100 milliseconds or less. Smart AI tools, auto-categorized inbox and follow-up reminders, sent laters, and email snippets. It's got an exclusive experience, personalized onboarding, minimal UI, heavy keyboard, and command support. Users report handling up to 72% more emails per hour thanks to enhanced workflow. Keyboard-centric power users praise the efficiency and seamless UI. It's got a strong design, instant responsiveness on desktop, rare in the email client world. It is pricey, $30 a month for individuals and $40 for team tiers. Missing key features: there's no unified inbox even across multiple accounts, limited attachment handling, and a dated calendar experience. Support issues: complaints of slow customer service, billing mistakes, and disappearing account access. So, Superhuman is a polished speed machine for email power users who value flow, automation, and design. But at its steep price and missing basic features, it's a tool best suited for professionals who live in their inbox. Casual users will likely find cheaper, more well-rounded alternatives.